Welcome to Average Session 1. You all are familiar with the term average. So basically, an average is nothing but the expression of the central value. In terms of statistics, it is also defined as mean value. Mathematically, it is defined as the ratio of sum of all data to the number of units present in the list. The average formula has many applications in real life. For example, if you want to calculate the average age of men or women in a group, or if you want to calculate the average male height in India, so you just have to add all the values and divide it by the number of values. But apart from this, you have some situations like increased or decreased average when a new person joins a group or an old person leaves the group. So you don't have to think much. I'm going to give you some specific formulas to save your time and reduce your tension. In session 1, there will be types of questions and important formulas. In session 2, we will be having some sample questions. Session 3 will be having few more sample questions. In session 4, we will study questions from previous papers. And session 5 will be having a practice test for you, which you should not miss. Types of questions. There will be basically two types of question. First, average related to numbers. And second, average related to increase or decrease. Important formulas. When a person joins any group or leaves a group, then the factors like age or weight may increase or decrease. That is, the average may increase or decrease. So we have direct formulas for that, which makes our calculations very easy. Let's see all these formulas one by one. Number 1. When a person leaves a group and another person joins the group in the place of person left, then A. In case of increasing the average, age of newcomer is equal to age of person left plus number of persons in the group into increase in average age. B. In case of decreasing average, age of newcomer is equal to age of person left minus number of persons in the group into decrease in the average. Second formula, when a person joins a group without replacing any previous person from that group, then Case 1. In case of increasing average age, age of newcomer is equal to previous average plus number of all persons including newcomer into increase in average. B. In case of decreasing average age of newcomer is equal to previous average minus number of all persons including newcomer into decrease in average. Formula 3. When a person leaves a group but nobody joins the group. A. In case of increasing average, age of man left is equal to previous average minus number of present persons into decrease in average. B. In case of decreasing average, age of man left is equal to previous average plus number of present persons into increase in average. We have some formulas for natural number, even numbers and odd numbers. Let's have a look on these specific formulas. Formula number 4. Average related to natural numbers. A. Average of consecutive natural numbers till n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. B. Average of squares of numbers till n is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 6. C. Average of cubes of consecutive and natural numbers till n is equal to n into n plus 1 square divided by 4. Formula number 5. Average related to even numbers. A. Average of n consecutive even numbers is equal to n plus 1. B. Average of consecutive even numbers is equal to n divided by 2 plus 1. C. Average of squares of n consecutive even numbers is equal to 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3. Formula number 6. Average related to odd numbers.
A. Average of n consecutive odd numbers is equal to n. B. Average of consecutive odd numbers till n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. C. Average of squares of consecutive odd numbers till n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 3. Let's solve a question now. The average age of 8 men is increased by 4 years when one of them whose age is 30 years is replaced by a new man. Find the age of the new man. So we have a direct formula for this type of question where an old person is replaced by a new one and average is increased. And the formula is age of newcomer is equal to age of person left plus number of persons into increase in average. Where the age of the person left is 30, total of number of persons are 8 and increase in average is 4. So we can substitute these values and get the answer. So age of newcomer is equal to 30 plus 4 into 8 which is equal to 62 years. So our answer is 62 years.
Thank you for watching session 1. If you have any query, you can write back to me on mathskagurukul.vns@gmail.com.